Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, this is part 3 of my Shein haul. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, I will have them listed below so that you can check those out, and we're just going to move on with this. So anyways guys, if you are new here, my name is Tosh. Hi, hello. I do mostly plus size content now on my channel. I will be starting to vlog soon, so hopefully you guys are into that. If you are new, again, my sizes are between a 4 and 5X. It just depends on the brand. Sometimes I can size down to a 3, but with Shein, it's all over the place. So always check your measurements against theirs. So this first piece is a really cute dress with like a little cap sleeve we love. Beautiful print, easy over the head moment with like this little neck moment here with like a collar. Here are the true colors. It is gorge, but again, it doesn't fit. So coming down here, you do have a little area here that's got a tiny bit of stretch that is supposed to give you a waist. This is not functional, it's just for looks, so you could tie it if you want to. And then moving on to the side, it is skin tight. So not a lot of wiggle room in here. Like I said, it's really not a lot of stretch, guys. It's primarily poly. You've got this little cutout here. I always call this my little triangle, where it is longer in the front, coming on at my knee, and longer in the back. Really love the prints and everything, but unfortunately, we're not going to be able to wear her until I lose some more inches, and the hair's got to go up. It's too hot. All right, friends, piece 2 is this really cute graphic tee. This is from Shein Fit Plus, 24-26, and it is cotton, poly, and elastic. So tons of stretch. It says wife, mom, boss, bitch. Love this. Super comfortable, super easy to wear. I would rock this with some bike shorts or jean shorts and a jean jacket. Nice short sleeves, super stretchy. We love that. Length on this top is coming right here, so like the tops of my thighs, if you will, almost. Does have decent coverage here in the back. It covers my whole booty. If you are short like me, I'm 5'3", just to let you know. That'll give you an idea of how it's gonna fall. But yeah, super comfortable. Who doesn't love a graphic tee? All right, y'all, so here we have a gorgeous dress. This is Shein Fit Plus as well. It is a faux wrap dress. Y'all already know the materials. I picked this up in a 24-26, again, based upon their measurements. I think it would look better if I had a real bra on. Today, I'm just kind of relaxed and chilling, taking it easy. I have a very long day of work and family time, so I'm still in a sports bra. But anywho, has these cute flutter sleeves. You guys can tell I have the fan on. It is super hot in here. And then, oh, easy over the head. Little number. Here are the true colors. I love these colors together, so I was super happy when I saw that they did it. So there is a button here, guys, if you have a bigger chested area and you need room. It also has a faux wrap here, so this cannot be removed. You can retie it, untie it, and what have you, but it is faux wrap, so it's sewn over here and then over here as well, which is pretty nice. You don't have to worry about it coming open. It comes right to my knees, but as you can see, it's got like this little, I call this like a tulip cut. It's kind of what it reminds me of, and so it does open a little bit. If you're not comfortable with that, this would be a good dress to get you there. Also right here, it is cinched, so there's a little bit of stretch room there right under the bust. And then in the back, I think it's a perfect short length dress. So yeah, loving this. So this piece here is Shein Curve. I know. It is a 4X, same materials. Again, I picked this up based on their measurements. It fits really nicely up here in the bust, but once you get down to Tina, not so much. What else? It's really super soft and like very stretchy, guys. Very stretchy. But I thought this was an off the shoulder top is why I wanted it. So maybe I'm wearing it wrong. I'm trying to kind of maneuver it a little bit, because I think I'm very much wearing it wrong, but it's also too tight in the belly, so this will be something I have to wear, you know, when we lose some more inches. So, nice short sleeves, and these are very soft, very stretchy. Here's the back. Then down here, it has like this little, it's like cut weird. So I can't remember if it goes this way or that way. But anywho, let me put it back up so that you guys can see. So it's got like this little triangle cut, and I was kind of playing with it, and I thought, well, maybe it tied, but I don't remember. You guys will have to tell me. But anywho, so yeah, not my favorite piece. I would say this is definitely a bust for now. I mean, can we see Tina? Woo, she doing too much. But it does have a long length where it's covering the butt, but not the thigh over here. So I don't know, y'all. I just thought the print was cute. Which, here's what the print looks like. Really pretty colors. So, I don't know. Okay, friends, so really quickly, I'm just going to share with you guys two pieces that I've already hauled in a previous, if you saw part 1 or part 2. First of all, this solid color cami. This is a 24-26. Really super comfy. I just picked it up in this color as well as like a goldish color, and I will be picking up some more because they're only like $5 or $6. Super comfortable, really soft, nice and roomy, and they have adjustable straps. So then I also picked up another Peplum. This one's just in black. If you guys remember, I hauled like a pinkish colored one. It was like a rose pink. Apparently I picked them all up because you guys will see it in another Shein video where I have the green one. So yeah, just picked it up in black as well. So here is the true color of that pink. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, who doesn't love pink and who doesn't love a nice comfy cami? So this piece I had to have. This is Shein Curve. It is a 4 or 5. Guys, remember, I link everything down below in the description box in the order that I show it, so it makes shopping for you a lot easier. So this says allergic to negative energy. It is poly, elastane, and viscose. Super soft, super stretchy. Nice short sleeve with tons of stretch as well. And it's just a nice, comfy graphic tee. So it says allergic to negative energy, and then it's got the cute little heart. We love that. And then as far as length, she does come down about this much on me. What is that, like mid-thigh, I believe? So nice and lengthy as well. Covers leg booty. But I don't like my t-shirts like that, so I just put them up over my butt. And there we go. Stick around, girl. I got a couple dresses and another graphic tee. Alright, so one of the dresses that I picked up is also by Shein Fit Plus. This is a 24-26. We have viscose, poly, and elastane. So really soft again, really stretchy, guys. I wanted this because I like tank tops a lot in the summer, and so I kept seeing these tank top dresses. For me, it's a little fitted in my belly area, and I had to pull my shorts up so that they don't stick. You'll see why. But even with my shorts not over my belly, I still don't feel comfortable yet. So this would be something I would have to rock as soon as I lose some of the belly. So here we go. There's the side. Here is the back. Actually, you know what? I ain't waiting to rock this, y'all. I'm gonna use it as PJs. Nice crew neck. And then as we get down here, she gets a little fitted in the belly, which whatever, it doesn't look that bad because it's black. You do have that little triangle where it's longer in the front and back. So yeah, I'll probably just use this as PJs. And it is a little bit longer in the back, as you guys can see. So really comfy, really cute. It is what it is. My man likes all of this, so PJs it is. All right, y'all, last graphic tee. I had to have this one because it looked super comfortable. This is Shein Curve 5X. It is poly, viscose, and elastane. Super soft, nice and thin, you guys. So stretchy, so stretchy. Nice short sleeve, very stretchy. We love that. And here is what the THRU graphic looks like. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. All right, y'all, so as far as length, This is the length of it, right? Like mid-thigh, I would say. And then here you are. Covers the booty. And again, y'all, super duper stretchy. This is so comfortable. Let's get on to the last dress. Y'all, I'm kind of feeling bad. Like, I feel like this haul was kind of a bust. But that ain't my fault. That's Shein. That's Shein all day long. Get your measurements right, you wrong. Bum, 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 bum. Anywho, this is another dress. Complete sleeveless tank dress with a cute little hoodie hoo. I thought this was so cute. And you guys, it's 100% poly, so it's nice and lightweight. Super thin, so comfortable. You are going to see Tina because sometimes she just have to make her debut. Anywho. Sleeveless, easy over the head. And when I was looking at it online, I was like, damn, that's gonna be hot. Because I don't know if y'all saw, but they actually released a sweatshirt dress. It's really cute, purple. I think it's hooded, graphic, really cute. Anyway, that mug is probably gonna be hot. But this one is really nice and thin material. All right, just normal heather gray. Here's Tina. And then here on the side, so nice bit of length to it as well. This would be a comfortable PJ shirt, you know, if you got the same problem I do. And then same bit of length in the back. So comment down below and tell me what your favorite piece of the haul was. I'm gonna tell you guys mine right now. It was actually this. I felt really pretty in this, so if you are looking for a really fun summer dress for a special occasion, maybe you have a wedding to go to, girl, stop spending $200. You're not supposed to outdo the bride, you know, you just need something really cute. And I think that these are totally appropriate, personally. And you don't have to spend all your coin. Just so you guys know, even though this video is not sponsored, I do have a coupon code with Shein. It is all caps FIT, F-I-T, lowercase Tasha, and that'll save you an extra 15% off your purchase, just so you know. I want to thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with little old me. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.